Now this is the intersection of Nightingale Street and Park Road. You can see that on that sign there. Standing right in front of the beautiful heritage listed Princess Park. So to the northern side we've got ourselves a bakery and a shop. To the other side of the intersection, as you can see up there, beautiful heritage houses. We've got the Park Hotel. Going up to the bottle shop, that's another car coming into the bottle shop. And then we've got the house, which is subject. Look at that, a car just come out of one car park into another. This is incredible. So you can see on the corner there, this is the house which is subject to demolition, and the next house up. So you can see over the back there is part of the hospital. But then again, you look up the street, and again, beautiful heritage views. Admittedly, the fence on this side potentially unattractive. So as I walk across the street, you can see on the right hand side across from it, you've got the beautiful church. So this is the view that you will see from going Nightingale Street, heading west.